So it's given that a solid sphere and a hollow sphere are heated at the same temperature. Point out the true statements. So in this question they are not mentioned. What about the size of that? Assume that the solid sphere and hollow sphere are having same size. So we are considering a solid sphere and a hollow sphere of same radius. So we know that the factor which is going to make difference is nothing but the mass of this material. So mass of this hollow sphere, we can say that it is less as compared to the mass of solid sphere. And our aim is to find out the how this temperature is going to change with respect to time. So from the equation for the rate of cooling, dt by dt is equal to E sigma A divided by ms, temperature of object raised to 4 minus temperature of surrounding raised to 4. In this case, all the other parameters are constant other than mass. So we can write this dt by dt is inversely proportional to mass. Other parameters are same in both the situations. So as rate of cooling is inversely proportional to the value of mass, so we can say that the object with more mass, the rate of cooling is less. Rate of cooling is less means it will take more time for cooling. So we can say that solid sphere will take more time and hollow sphere will take less time. So from the first option we can say that hollow sphere cools more quickly as compared to that of solid sphere. And second option is given that both hollow and solid are spheres cools equally. No. Solid sphere cools more quickly. No, it will take more time.